Should not come in the picture.
I like that. Same
Yes. Sorry.
Same kind of all the same style. Series of
उसको बोला
खुशी कम है.
Yes, sir.
Now we can stand the view.
Happy now.
Sir, look here.
See you soon.
Ah, yes. रुपाली देखो.
Frame, Dinesh ji.
Open करो.
एक मिनट.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Big job. You hear all of them. Wow.
Dinesh ji.
So why from Bangalore? Because a lot of things are sitting in the next level.
No, this is the abstract.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. How many days is it going on?
But it won't be like especially toilet.
Oh, cute. That's nice, very nice. Beautiful, yeah.
Hey, Ravi, यहाँ पे.
Abstract landscapes.
This will add so much color in a drawing. Yeah, because whatever corner you put here, or whatever place that you put it, will just give up a lot of color. Or lot of the stuff will actually do that. Even that one will just add up a little color for the characters. Okay, then this is how it looks like.
Yes. The waves.
Okay, okay.
Sir, Epic, sir. Yes.
Kind of place.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So happy.
Yes.
कि आपको तो देखना चाहिए अभी.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
क्या बात है.
Look here, look here.
Yes, only.
इनकी वीडियोस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं जिन्होंने भी देखा नहीं है इनकी वीडियोस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं.
from Bangalore, very senior, eminent and very good landscape abstract artist. Actually, he's a landscape artist, but I also see some good abstract in his painting. So I would say it is a landscape abstract artist. And it is a very beautiful works, very well presented, very good texture and composition, color, everything is fantastic. Very reasonably priced, very humble person, very nice person. His paintings are as good as he is basically. Though I am meeting first time, but from the painting I can make out the person's character. Painting reflects that. So I would say he's a very, and I met him today actually in person first time. And a very interesting, nice person. So I'm sure he'll do very well. And he's doing very well already. There's many shows in Bangalore, sold out shows, and Bombay also with a very good shows. So first time in my gallery, we are doing solo exhibition. And I'm so happy that you all came. Thank you, Mr. Lewis. Okay, artist is present. And Anusha, your support is very welcoming actually. So I think the show should go well. As paintings are very good. So happy that you all came.
Leslie, how does it feel seeing Mr. Bai's works?
So I've just met Mr. Bai. I think he's a fab guy. बहुत वंडरफुल आदमी है. वो उनके पेंटिंग्स भी दिखाई देता है और मुझे कह रहे थे कि मेरे फैन हैं, बट मैं भी अभी थोड़ा उनका फैन बन रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये जो हम्पी के जो है वो कुछ अलग सेट है, वो सीरीज जैसा लग रहा है. और जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है, मैं उनको कह रहा था कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बोलने के लिए आप बोल रहे कि मुझे तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लग रही थी, मुझे कुछ दिख रहा है उसमें. एंड आई लव इट. इट्स वेरी कलरफुल. इट्स इनसाइड हिज माइंड. और जब आर्टिस्ट के माइंड के अंदर आप जब तस्वीर देख के जा सकते हैं तो यू नो इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. एंड आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड रॉक एंड रोल.
How do you feel, sir, having Leslie G to
I'm so
nominate
happy
you?
to see him. So ये मेरा फर्स्ट शो है सुनील जी का गैलरी में. This is my naturescape. I'm from Coastal. So this is my monsoon series. So love to show the things with the Sunil ji like gallery. So I'm very happy here. And thank you so much, sir.
सर आपके वर्क के बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें.
ये तो देखो ये मेरा मानसून सीरीज है जहाँ मैं से आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, फेमस फॉर रेन, बीचेस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो ये मेरे को ये जो पूरा इंस्पायर हो गया. सो मैं ये मेरा पूरा वर्क में आप जो देख सकते हो लैंडस्केप, रेनी सीजन, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ऑल रेनिंग मूड्स ऑफ इन माय पेंटिंग्स.
Anything else you would like to say, sir, Leslie? And maybe 2 lines from him.
एक तो डेफिनेटली आपका गैलरी जो है यहाँ स्वान आर्ट गैलरी, इट्स बहुत वंडरफुली कोजी प्लेस है. तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि ये बॉम्बे में यहाँ भी और ही कुछ अच्छा गैलरी, मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग जगह है. एंड एज फार एज यू आर कंसर्न्ड मिस्टर बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट. और मानसून के बाद जो नेक्स्ट सीरीज आएगा वो भी हम देखेंगे. तो आई नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you. Can we have you sing the line if you are comfortable?
There's something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Turning up my girl, There's something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Turning up my girl, म्यूजिकल इंटीमेट स्पेस भी बन सकता है. इट्स वेरी क्वाइट, इट्स वेरी लॉस्ट आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे, लेकिन लग रहा है कि और तो एक अनप्लग या पर्सनल कॉन्सर्ट यहाँ बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. मुझे लगता है वाइब अच्छा है. वाइब आर्टिस्ट के लिए वाइब अच्छा होना जरूरी है. आई थिंक दैट्स दिस प्लेस इज गॉड.
Thank you so much.
When he was busy assisting another guest, I actually saw it and I was just realizing there's so much color, so much light. So बोला जाता है ना कि आपको बहुत अच्छी और खूबसूरत नजर आएगी. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक ये वही रिलेट करता है बिकॉज जब आप जिंदगी को नहीं देख रहे हैं ना उतने गौर से तभी वो सबसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल नजर आती है एक्चुअली. और नेचर खास करके जब आप इतना गौर से नहीं देख रहे तभी आपको सडनली एक ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा जहाँ पर आपको नेचर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगेगी. ऐसा लगेगा ये सर्रियल मोमेंट है. तो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर एक्चुअली द सिमिलर माइंडसेट एंड ओवरऑल एंड आई थिंक एन आर्टिस्ट नाउ is has a mind of a rainbow. It's like an infinite rainbow that they have it. आप जितना डग अप करते जाओ हमारे रोज के जैसे नहीं जो बॉम्बे के रोज आप डग अप करते जाओ पता नहीं क्या नजर है उसमें. मगर एक आर्टिस्ट का अगर आप दिमाग डग अप करोगे ना आपको ऐसी ऐसी चीज ऐसी ऐसी कलाएं मिलेगी ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत चीजें मिलेंगी कि it really just marvels me to know that like art, craft is so vast, you know, you cannot cover in such a small canvas. I'm sure that he has still more to go when he goes back home और भी कुछ बढ़िया सा चीज आएगा उनके दिमाग में. But overall, I really like it. It's a massive color explosion, nature to the best. Somewhere he's drawn map in such an intricate way. Somewhere he's drawn abstract with life in such an intricate way. ओवरऑल इज ब्यूटीफुल. नेचर हमेशा ब्यूटीफुल है और जो भी नेचर को इतनी ब्यूटी से देखता है तो सोचिए उसका माइंड कितना अच्छा होगा. एंड आई थिंक मिस्टर पाई's माइंड इज एक्चुअली लाइक दैट. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट ब्रिलियंट वर्क एंड आई रियली विश दैट यू नो दिस गोज टू अ हाउस व्हिच एडमायर्स एंड यू नो really enjoys this explosion of your art and your craft that you have put it here.
Sir, how does it feel having Rupali here? Tell us a little bit about your work.
Yeah, I'm so happy she came here for my shows. And I told her this is my monsoon series, my nature series. So
कितने दिन लग गए बनाने में?
2 साल लगे.
2 साल. तो आपने उसको खाया पिया कि सिर्फ नेचर ही देखा? क्योंकि हमेशा आर्टिस्ट ऐसा होता है ना कि सिर्फ नेचर ही दिख रहा होता है कुछ नहीं दिख रहा होता है उस वक्त.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं. सब I have been calmly. वो सब करना.
Very nice, very nice. But anything which is your best painting here, which is your best work that you can say. मुझे तो बच्चों में हम choose नहीं कर सकते कौन सा best है. कुछ तो होगा जो आपके मन के बहुत करीब है.
All the paintings are nice, but first one, the big one.
Okay. And what is the reason for it?
Oh, that's the colors are, you know, admiring from the eye.
Oh. But you know, a lot of your colors are very therapeutic also. मतलब अंदर से बहुत एक थेरेपी देते हैं. मैंने आपको शायद थोड़ी देर पहले से कहा था कि जिस भी वॉल में जाएगा उस वॉल में जान भर देगा. तो कहीं से मुझे लगता है कि आप एक थेरेपी निकाल के लेके आए हैं बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए. जो भी ये कुछ खरीदेगा अपने घर में लगाएगा. It's a kind of a therapy with color, with nature, with your mind, with your craft. It's quite nice. It's very nice. Really good.
सर आर्टिस्ट बहुत होते हैं लेकिन उनको चुनना भी एक कला है और आपने मिस्टर पाई का वर्क क्यों चुना?
Actually, there are two ways of looking at the art. One, from a common man's perspective, where he sees only the beautiful painting, nothing else. The other side of looking at the painting is when you see both the technicalities of painting as well as the beauty of the painting. So as a gallerist, I see both things. For me, painting has to be good, first place, good subject and beautiful, as well as the composition based technically also sound. That makes a good painting. So since in business for the last 27 years as a gallerist, so I can make out easily that which painting is technically sound or not.
मतलब आप अंधेरे में भी चूज कर सकते हैं ये पेंटिंग बेस्ट बढ़िया है.
Sometimes I'm confused. 27 years in the field, like.
सर फिर आप उनसे आज मिले लेकिन आपने पेंटिंग से पहले मिला तो नॉर्मली आपके आर्टिस्ट से तो वैसे ही होता है.
I've been seeing this painting for more than a year, actually, more than now. Because artist of painting I'm making it. So as a gallerist, if you are in films, you may not meet a person, actor, but you know his art and his film. Similarly, I may not meet the artist many times, but I know his art. So his gallery is like that. So I've been seeing painting for quite some time. I've seen before also. My meeting is first time. But I'm meeting his art for many years and I've seen good works of his. So that's what made me interested in doing a show. The moment he mentioned his friend of mine, Chandra, who is the close associate of the artist. He mentioned his name and he was to solution, fine, go ahead, I'm okay. Date-wise, I'm no fixed date. If I like something, I immediately take a decision and put a date. And my dates are like that. I never fix it, date has 5 February or no. If I like the work, if I feel okay, then you tell me the date. always, and then go again. This happened at the same time. I said, you give me the date. Don't ask me the date. So they gave me a date and I did.
You know, such a rare combination, an artist meeting an art lover is such a beautiful combination coming together. जब एक आर्ट लवर और एक आर्टिस्ट साथ में मिलते हैं तो कुछ अनोखा और अद्भुत होता है, and that's exactly what I can see on the walls. And beautiful work, sir. Thank you. I mean, you had an acumen to judge it at the right moment.
So
at the
right
right
from
time.
day one I started with 27, 99, since March 99. Right from day one, I decided that I will always go for the good exhibition, good work, not after the till date I am always, I never, I said only if I am really sure it has to be good, perfect. If showing an artist will be good. My focus is on that. Initially it was very difficult because when you start something, nobody trusts you and trust factor is there. So only young and emerging artists come to you. But over the years we established and now many senior established artists come to us and it's easy for us now. Before it was a struggle. So now many artists are showing good artists. But they just finished a show in Dubai. All senior artists, well-known artists, very good show. So nowadays March in Dubai and we are doing many shows here. So now it's this flying, it's in floor.
But make sure you keep on encouraging, you know, artists here who
Always.
have a vision
When
and
you
have
do that,
aspiration to show something beyond imagination.
I am doing very expensive. I just finished a very expensive movie. Many people told me that, no, you don't take emerging artists. No, it's a very expensive. Only senior master. I always balance it. I always made it a point. No matter how big the show is, there will always be a very good emerging artist I pick up and I showcase.
That's very nice of you.
Always, I made it a point. No matter how many senior artists tell me, no, this is not our caliber. And after that, 2 years ago, he's a regular artist. Same. So this is completely like that. So I said 2 years before, he said he's not our caliber. Now you are running after the artist. This happens in our fields. Many artists have come up, gone very far, short time. When initially senior artists criticize them, later they become try to become friend to them and they appreciate their work. So,
Sir, how do you feel today?
I'm
Here
so
is
happy.
your exhibition.
I'm so happy with the gallery and first Mr. Sunil. So happy. See, this is my first show.
What is your next series about, sir?
No, that
Yeah,
happened.
even I'm interested to know. What's your next series about?
Now I'm in this. What this monsoon series only. I have to think.
So if the monsoon is over, can we also see like a
Yeah.
winter series,
Yeah, winter
series
also.
or maybe they can also see spring, autumn or something of that sort?
Monsoon is so colorful. How colorful would spring be?
Oh, imagine that, yes, with some flowers in it. And right now, I think there are a lot of landscapes that I can see. You know, it really has, yeah, because here also, behind me, there's a lot of landscape. You are fond of a lot of landscape. Are we also seeing some flowers? Flowers, love, abstract.
Start some figurative stuff.
Okay, that's nice. I'm looking forward to the next work also then. And all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Keep rising high. Make sure that you, fill in the colors not only in the canvas but also in people's lives.
Yes.
Because wherever this goes, this will fill in the love and the life of people also.
Thank you
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.